Curious about AI tools but unsure where to start? In the next 5 minutes, I will walk you through 5 beginner-friendly companies that are changing how we create everything from images and videos to full AI workflows. We'll keep it simple and easy. And yes, we'll look at tools like Promptus and how they tie it all together. Hi, I'm Claudia, co-founder of Promptus, and I'm here to help you explore how AI can support your creativity, your work, and maybe even your next big idea. Let's get started. First up, we have Midjourney. Midjourney is a powerful AI art tool. Just type something like a peaceful village at night, oil painting style, and it creates a beautiful image. It runs through Discord, which can feel unfamiliar at first, but the creative results are worth it. It's perfect for artists and storytellers. Next, let's talk about Promptus, the tool that brings everything together. It helps you build better videos, run ready-made AI workflows, which are called Cosyflows, and even lets you publish your images and videos to your own webpage. It also includes ComfyUI built right in, so advanced users can fine-tune how their images are generated visually using nodes. Whether you're new or experienced, Promptus removes the mess and gives you control. ComfyUI. If you like getting under the hood, Comfy lets you build your AI image workflow visually. It's node-based, and you can connect blocks to design the process exactly how you want. It's technical, but incredibly flexible for power users. Runway. Runway AI brings AI into video editing. You can remove backgrounds, animate still images, and even generate short videos from text. It's a browser-based application and is used by social media creators, editors, and agencies. And last but not least, ChatGPT by OpenAI is more than a chatbot. It allows you to generate images and text in the same window. It's like having a smart assistant, great for brainstorming, writing, and creating visuals. So, here's a quick summary. Midjourney is great for AI art generation. Promptus is great for end-to-end AI creation and publishing. ComfyUI allows you to do advanced workflows. Runway AI is for video editing. And ChatGPT allows you to chat and do image generation. So, which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments, and if you want a more clear explanation on AI tools like Promptus, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.